Good evening, everyone. It is 7:17. This is just a quick update on the 5 chicks that I've been babysitting. There they are. One funny thing about them and also about my 4 longhorns is so you see there's 5 chicks, 4 inside the fence there with Esther and one over here in my yard. And it's been that way with my 4 longhorns. There's always been 3 off together and then 1 off by itself that makes its way with the others. And I don't know what that's all about. But Esther keeps her eye on all these. But the update is, I guess it's been a couple hours now. A couple hours ago, I remembered that I had the man's phone number from when he left it with me to give it to my landlord. If you saw my live today, which is still up, I mentioned that he had given me his number to give to the landlord because he's interested in renting a space on this land to put some goats. Well, I remembered I had his number, and so a couple hours ago I sent him a text and let him know that tonight, anytime after 8:30 would be the best time for him to come get his 5 chicks. I said that they're doing well and they're growing fast, and yes, that after 8:30 would be the best time. Tomorrow is not a good day. It's a very busy day for me. Like I said, it's been about 2 hours ago that I let him know that, and I've not heard nothing back. Right, Esther? Let's go check on everybody. And so, again, if you were in my live, or if you go back and watch the replay, you'll understand. Oh, there's the Easter egg laying up there. Lady Jane. You'll understand again why I'm saying after 8:30. I can tell you again. And it's because around that time, my chickens will be going into roost. See, if anyone came now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Oh, almost slipped in all that mud. If anyone came now, it would disrupt my whole flock. I think my Jersey hen is still sitting on an egg. Yep. She was off earlier getting a drink. I'm gonna sit here. Now, you see how calm the chickens are when I come through the yard? They know me. But to have strangers come through and try to catch those 5 baby chicks, these chickens would be running around, they'd be flying. Esther would be upset. It would be too much stress on them. And I'm not going to allow that. So that's why I say if they will come after 8:30 when these chickens are heading in. Oh, here's a feral cat, if I can show you. Can you see him? If they'll come around 8:30, 8:45 the latest, it will be much easier for them to catch their chicks because they've learned to go in the coop on their own. You see how close these chickens are to me? That will never happen with strangers coming through here. Now, a friend has suggested that I may have to just, let this man know give him a certain day that if he don't come and collect his 5 chicks, that I'm gonna have to consider those chicks just abandoned. I am just, oh, there's another feral cat over there. I didn't see him. I've just been giving them the benefit of the doubt that maybe something happened and they didn't get back, or they got back and from wherever they went and they haven't been able to get back over here. But now a text message has been sent, so. But if days and days go by, you know, and I don't hear anything, I mean, I will have to just consider these chicks abandoned. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have, I think, 14 chicks of my own plus a goose. That feral cat over there that's in that tire is getting water. My issue is my 4 leghorns are supposed to be hens. Now, there's no guarantee. I mean, I got them from Tractor Supply in the pullet bin. They're supposed to be laying hens when they get to that age of laying. I don't know. The man didn't even know how old his 5 chicks were. I don't want to get stuck with 5 roosters. I have 3 roosters. If one of his chicks turns out to be a rooster, that I'll be back to 4. I used to have 4. But what if his chicks turn out to be all roosters? I mean, that can happen. I hear a cat somewhere meowing. Oh, did you see the leghorn fly up there? And let me tell you, roosters, they're hard. You can't hardly even give a rooster away. I know somebody last year that from Tractor Supply, went to Tractor Supply, got young chicks, got them from the pullet bin. They were supposed to be laying hens, and when they got a little older, they started crowing. Ended up with 2 out of the amount that he got. I forgot if he got 6. Ended up with 2 roosters out of that bunch, and mean ones. They were attacking the goose, were attacking each other, were attacking the chickens, and tried to give them away. Couldn't give them away. He's had to keep them separated, which is no life for the roosters, and he hates that, but he can't have them, being so mean that, I mean, one of them picked one of his chickens bald, and I think just about did that to the goose. So I have to consider that if I end up with these 5 chicks. The other thing is, my coop is really not big enough for 20-something chickens. Granted, they only use the coop for sleeping and laying eggs. You want them to be comfortable. And I would have to ask, if I end up having to keep these 5 chicks in the near future, I would have to ask someone to add on to my coop. I'd have to barter, and it would have to be with scrap wood that's on this land. I'm sure my landlord would let me use it because it's just sitting around if there is any. And I'd have to barter, give fresh eggs for someone that would just make a basic addition. It's things I'm not prepared for. But at the same time, I'm not gonna turn around and abandon the 5 chicks. And I'm not saying the man has abandoned them, but I do need to hear back from them. What are they thinking? Earlier today, my bantam rooster was in that tree that's right there. Did something come up that they couldn't get back? Did they get back and something come up that they can't get back over here, but they only live about 5 minutes away? They have enough family living with them that surely someone could have come up here to tell me something or come get their chicks. Now, I know he did not say he was gonna bring his chicks here and have me raise them and him just come collect eggs when they get to the laying age. No, he said he bought those chicks for his grandson. Could I watch him for a few days and then he'd be back to pick up the chicks? So I know I got that straight. I think a gnat just flew in my mouth. Tomorrow the temperature's supposed to be 101. And it said the real feel was gonna make it 110. The chickens are laying down. Lady Jane's laying down, the leghorns are laying down. Let's go look at everyone. Let's see if anyone is under here. Oh, there's Big Daddy over there. Look how tall the sunflower's getting. Taller than the coop. One, two, three. Lady Jane. 1, 2, 3. See what I mean? There's my other leghorn. Oh, little battery. Oh, leghorn's over here. Okay, I gotta go because the battery. That's the update. I'll keep you posted.